from Tampa Bay streaming news leader. This is ABC Action News.
I'm Dee O'Reilly. Greg D will have your full forecast coming up. But first, though, I want to get to your ABC Action News headlines. The Florida Department of Health is reporting more than 1,000 new coronavirus cases and 53 new deaths. According to the state's dashboard, Florida has reported 66,000 cases since March. The yellow bar graph shows the number of new cases. There have been at least 1,000 new cases every day for a week now. And among the new cases, 3 inmate records specialists at the Pinellas County Jail, as well as a social worker and 2 detention deputies. The sheriff's office says 9 inmates who came in contact with the social worker or showed symptoms are getting tested. Starting today, if you live in Manatee County, you can apply for help with your rent, mortgage, and utility bills. This is through the Manatee Cares Assistance Program. County leaders say this is for residents who have lost their job or significant income because of the pandemic. You can get up to $1,500 per month for up to 3 months. The application window opened this morning at 9 o'clock. It closes Friday night. There's enough funding for about 250 households. We've got the link to the application on abcactionnews.com. Just click News Links. It's on the front page. School district leaders across the Bay Area are taking a closer look at racial inequality. Education leaders tell us protests are calling attention to the need for change. Nearly all Tampa Bay Area districts are working on policies this summer to address racial inequality. For example, Pinellas County is training more staff on diversity. Some districts are even looking at retraining school resource officers on how to handle discipline. You can read all about the plans on abcactionnews.com. Governor DeSantis just signed several bills into law, including one that looks to investigate deadly cases of elder abuse. This law would establish elder abuse fatality review teams in each judicial district. This would allow volunteers from law enforcement and medical examiners' offices, among other agencies, to review the death of seniors. I want to check in now with Greg D for a look at your Wednesday forecast.
Hey there, Gio. It'll be hot for the rest of this afternoon. Temperatures in the low 90s, but of course, that's just part of the story. Our high 91. You add that humidity and the feels like numbers. Look at that, hovering around 100 to 102 degrees for the rest of the afternoon. The one hopes some pop-up showers and storms, and I do think the rain chances a little better than yesterday. You can get the latest updated forecast and check in on those storms by downloading the ABC Action News app. All
right, thank you, Greg. You can now get news 24 hours a day on our free streaming news channel. Just download the ABC Action News app on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV, or Apple TV.